why this product right now is very popular and what is it. And also it comes in different colors that you can choose from AliExpress, and the price is start from $2 and it's going up, depend on which color you're gonna choose and where you are living. And what are they? For around $2 from AliExpress you will get 10 pieces 3 volts COB LED filament flexible Edison bulb lamp with light, diodes, accessories, multicolor holiday lighting decoration, and you can choose also different sizes. We have 19mm, 29mm. I have ordered 29mm and I'm gonna tell you why, and the color I choose it blue one. I wait 2 weeks and of course I got them. Are they crazy? Without bubbles, they send them without bubbles. Why these are fragile? Oh. Whoa. Okay. And take a look. Can you see them? So it's a LED flexible filament, and can you see that there how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 15 micro LEDs inside this thing. Oh, and also these are blue. From my previous delivery I got warm white LEDs, and I'm gonna show to you how you can make a bulb, fuse bulb, that is popular right now in some DIY projects, just like this one. Let me show you. So you can make a fuse LED bulbs just like this one, which is very cute, out of ordinary fuses, and mine are exactly 30mm long. Let me show you. Yes, that's why I ordered 29mm LED filaments, so I can make my own fuse LED light. Okay, I'm gonna apply a voltage now. Take a look how beautiful is that. And the capacitor is there just to hold my fuse holders, nothing more. And you can do that by taking a fuse just like this one and make holes with your drill on both sides. You can see that from both sides, and pull out the wire, which is difficult but not impossible, or you can leave it there if you want it, just to pull out. Let me show you the blue, the new one, and there the negative side is marked with the hole, I think. Okay, no, it's opposite. The side with the hole is positive. Oh, and it's flexible. Can you see that? Now we're gonna take the filament and place it inside the fuse. We open the holes, of course, and remember which is the positive side, and we're gonna solder from both sides. As I told you, I choose exactly 29mm filament, so can they fit my fuses, so pay attention on that. And what I love about these LED flexible filaments, because they are flexible. Take a look. You can't break them. Just apply the 3 volts. Right now I'm sending 2.6 volts. This is not the full brightness. I'm gonna show to you on my power supply how much current they are pulling. Just wait. And I have made the blue one now. Take a look. Applying 3 volts. Oh, it's opposite. No, it's this way. Yes. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe you will need to add some super glue on these metal things so can be move or break the filament. Let's first see the warm white, or this is like very warm white. At 2.6 volt it's pulling 17 milliamperes. I'm gonna increase the voltage to 3 volts and take a look. This thing is 1.5 watts. Isn't that too much? What it says in the description? How many? Whoa, I'm gonna lose. It says from 2.8 to 3 volts 300 milliamperes. But this thing is pulling 275, 400, 3 volts, 700 milliamperes is, and it's going up. So the best is around 2.7, 2.8 volts. Let's see the blue one. Come on, alright. Take a look. Nice. At 2.6 volts, pulling 13 milliamperes, increasing by 0.1 volt, that is 2.7 volts, 47 milliamperes, 2.8 volts, 90 milliamperes, 2.9 volts, 130 milliamperes, and 3 volts, almost 190 milliamperes. And it's super bright. Let me kill the light so you can see better. Wow, super bright, and it's pulling 200 milliamperes, 3 volts. This blue LED filament in glass fuse, which is nice for DIY projects. And it starts to work at 2.3 volts, 2.4, 2.5, and this is 2.6. And can you see it? That's why I like them, because they are flexible filament. Beautiful. Alright, and maybe the 2.6 volts is the best voltage. It's not the brightness. 2.7, take a look. Alright. So why I'm making these fuse LED lights? Let me share my next project that I'm working on and take a look. This is art made out of copper wires. What do you think? Please comment below. By the way, it will be a solar project. Also, I will add a lithium battery that will be charged from the solar. Also, this thing, on this thing I will add that fuse LED filaments, and I'm preparing my e-ink screen to be right here maybe. Also it will be with deep sleep. This is a matrix effect with falling zeros and ones. And did you notice something? I fixed the flash rate. Take a look. No more screening black and white, black and white. which is awesome. And all that on my Super Mini ESP32-S3 board. Take a look how small it is. I have a full video about this guy. This is very powerful mini beast. Let's do it again. Alright, I need to reset it. At the beginning is making black and white, and after booting it works like a charm. So stay tuned. Very soon I will upload this project. Okay, that was all for today's video. I hope you like these fuse LED lights, how to make them DIY. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!